Then down, down, down. Right, we're gonna bash together a badass salad. I'm going all pre-packed. Why not? It was in there, washed, ready to eat. We got baby leaf salad. I'm gonna bosh that together. We got some spinach and we got some rocket. We're gonna jazz it up with a little bit of spring onion. We've got the red one. Some salad tomatoes, some cucumber, pomegranate, love it. And then also, come away please darlings, come out the way please darlings. Greek salad cheese. That's what we're gonna go in with a slice of lemon as well to jazz it up. We've got a beautiful bowl. Nice, make it look pretty. Yeah, very easy, very simple. Eh? Bacon's lovely as well, and it's crispy on there. Washed, ready to go. Spinach goes in. Nice, may as well put all the spinach in actually, because that is goodness right there. A little bit of rocket, don't want it too peppery. A little bit of rocket going in there. Bang, they're all munching away at the moment. Yes, son. A little bit of colour coming off with the baby leaf. Nice, very, very nice. Throw that around. Push that to one side. Boom, boom, boom. Let me wash up the plate. Boom, 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 boom. Like them, nice. What them chicken sausages? Lovely, mate. Lovely stuff. Right, girl. Going in the tub. Go in the tub. Rinse that off. I'm going to go into the tub in a little while, don't you? I'm just going to make everyone some dinner. Make sure everyone's happy. And then the potatoes are just coming in a minute. They're out. Just warm them through. Nice. You've got enough salt on the potatoes, babe. Don't need no more salt in them. I've got some chicken in the oven as well. You can have in a minute. Go in the tub and then we'll be ready for a nice bit of dinner. Before anyone says anything about chopping up on the marble chopping board, it will blunt on your knife. That's why you've got to just sharpen it afterwards. All my old wooden ones over there, they've got stuff on at the moment, so this is the one we got. I don't normally typically do it, do you know what I mean? But right, bang, look at that, colourful, very, very nice. Boom. Pull that to me a little bit so I can get that off. Right, cucumber. Say, stop swinging that please, darling. Will you go in the tub while you play football? Yeah, will you go in the tub? Sage, go in the tub please. Right, I want that. That can sit there for 1 minute. Bang, into fours. Nice. Chunky, yeah? You know what I might do with the other bit of that cucumber? I'll make some cucumber water. That'd be nice as well. Boom. Colour. Freshness as well. Beautiful. Kids are singing. Kids are seeing the battery went low there. That's what I pressed the screen. Kids are singing along there. Salad tomatoes. In the quarters. Like that. Straight in the bowl. You've got to see what this looks like at the end. This is beautiful. Very fresh. Nice. See how long it takes? Don't take long to cut up salad, does it really? I know that was all pre-packed, that stuff, but another 5 minutes, not even that. It's just I wanted that and flavours coming up. That's why I bought it a pack, and it was about £1 a pack as well. It's cheap. Time you bought all the big stuff and that, and you waste half of it, didn't you? That's the problem. That stuff there from the pack is the right amount sometimes for what you need. Right, bang, that goes there. Lovely, looking absolute gorgeous already, yeah? Throw that together there. Really nice. Obviously hands have been washed. She's got the fountain on in the hot tub. Fountain's on. Right, here we go, pomegranates. Nice, these are sweet. Huh? All in there. Flavours.
So how us having the gym session was clearing for longer.
It's like on my neck then, boy. Wow. Greek salad cheese. Come on. Come on. Very good. And then what we're going to do is just going to cube this. Oh, it smells lovely. Bang them in there. And we are done. Oh, lemon. Got a little bit of lemon to chop up. And we are good to go. See what I do with the lemon as well? Roll it out. Get the juices moving. Huh? What's up? Children, man. Children. Chunks of them lemons. Put them in there. And then what we'll do, we'll put a couple of them on top so people can pick that off and do what they need to do. And then we're going to grab that last one and all we're going to do is run that over there. Yeah? Nice. Finish it off. It wouldn't be a Brad special without a little bit of salt. And a little bit of garlic olive oil. Oh. Yes! And there you go. Pomegranate, cheese, tomatoes, spinach, spring onion. Yes!